Amazing, right? In such low light, Mi-11 can still capture such clear videos. But do you know how much technology is needed to achieve this? A 1-second video taken in low light is actually the equivalent of 30 photos. If you want to take amazing videos in low light using a smartphone, you need both great hardware and software. First, the 1/1.3 3-inch large image sensor of the Mi-11's main camera has a larger light input. Second, when taking photos in low light, this image sensor will combine 4 pixels into one. This is like combining 4 small windows to make one large window. It allows a greater amount of light to enter the picture, giving you more details and a higher dynamic range. Third, the Mi-11's main camera supports OIS. This means the camera can remain balanced even when it is shaken, extending the shutter time and increasing the amount of light. This allows your shoot in low light to be more stable, and when you combine this with EIS, you get clearer images. One of the most important things we've done with Mi-11 is add a new night scene video algorithm that combines software and hardware with the Snapdragon 888 to give you an amazing videography experience even at night. Mi-11 can perform AI real-time calculations on RAW level, real-time brightening, and noise reduction for every frame of your videos. RAW refers to the unprocessed original video information, which has plenty of room for adjustment. By leveraging such a powerful algorithm, Mi-11 is able to provide you with excellent low-light video quality. When it comes to night videography, Mi-11 has no boundaries. You'll be amazed by the high-quality, low-light videos that you can create with this new smartphone. Smartphones have now entered the era of computational videography. And Xiaomi is committed to providing you with the ultimate technological solutions so that we can dramatically improve the quality of your videos. Maybe in the future, you'll be able to shoot the next big blockbuster movie with just the smartphone in your pocket. Night or day, Mi-11 allows you to create amazing videos.